Hi students, today topic is binomial nomenclature. Right, according to ICBN, scientific name of the plant ensure to same name. Scientific name of the plant or organism ensure to same name. Right, according to ICBN, ICBN means International code for botanical nomenclature. Botanical nomenclature. Okay. International code for botanical nomenclature. According to ICBN, scientific name of the organism ensure to same name in all over world. Right. Binomial nomenclature. First, binomial nomenclature introduced by Gaspard Bahin. First, binomial nomenclature introduced by Gaspard Bahin. In this binomial nomenclature developed by Carolus Linnaeus. Developed by Carolus Linnaeus. Right. What is binomial nomenclature? Two components of name is called binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature means two components of name. Two components of name is called binomial nomenclature. Okay. What are two components name? Example. Scientific name of the mango, Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica. Right. These are two components of name. This is Mangifera indicate to genus, indica indicate to species. These are two components of the scientific name. Okay. What are rules? Another. This is mango. Another scientific name, Solanum tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum means potato. Potato. Okay. Two components of name is called binomial nomenclature. Suppose for example mango, scientific name is Mangifera indica. Mangifera is indicate to genus, indica is indicate to species. Another example, Solanum tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum, scientific name of the potato. Right. What are rules of binomial nomenclature? Rules. Right. This binomial nomenclature generally Latin. Binomial rules of binomial nomenclature. First rule is these are Latin words written in italics and written italics. Okay. Next, another rule is in this binomial name, first word represent to genus. First word represent to genus. Second word represent to species. Second is species. Right. Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica. This Mangifera is indicate to first word Mangifera is indicate to genus. Second word indica is indicate to species. Okay. Third rule. Both the components is underlined separately. Both the components underlined. These are Mangifera indica. Both the components underlined separately. This is the third rule. Next, fourth rule. First word denotes to genus. This Mangifera, it denotes to first word denotes to genus, and second word denotes to species. Second word denotes to species. Next, another rule. When the end of the scientific name or end of the biological name, author name is written in abbreviation form. When the end of the biological name, when the end of the scientific name of the plant is written in abbreviation form. Okay, suppose for example Mangifera indica. The scientific name is given by Linnaeus. So Lin. Okay. When the end of the scientific name, when the end of the biological name, author name is written in abbreviation form. Right. Suppose for example Mangifera indica. The name is given by Linnaeus. So Mangifera indica Lin. Author name is written in abbreviation form, not full form. Okay. Binomial nomenclature according to ICBN, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Right. The scientific name of the plants or organism ensure the same name. Right. Binomial nomenclature first introduced by Gaspard Bahin and developed by Linnaeus. Right. What is binomial nomenclature? Two components of name is called binomial nomenclature. Right. Example Mangifera indica. These are two components name. Mangifera one component, indica another component. Two component name of the plant. That is called binomial nomenclature. Some rules are there. First, this binomial nomenclature name is Latin words written in italics. Right. First word is represent to genus. This first word is represent to genus. Second word is represent to species. Okay. Both the names are underlined separately. Next, first word is indicate to genus. Second word is indicate to species. Next, when the end of the abbreviation form of, when the end of the scientific name, when the end of the plant name, author name is written in abbreviation form. Who is gave the scientific name? Okay, suppose for example Mangifera indica, the name is given by Linnaeus. So Mangifera indica Lin, in abbreviation form Lin. Okay.